Hello friends, welcome to our channel Solution with Farmanian Learners for 2K1. In today's session, in the basics of electrical engineering, here our today's topic is electron drift velocity. First of all, we will discuss with you what basically the electron drift velocity and what are the and how to derive its formula and what is the SI unit of the electron drift velocity. So let's start with our topic. First of all, we will tell you the what basically the electron drift velocity is. So it's here. Basically, what is first of all we will tell you the definition of electron drift velocity. What is the electron drift velocity? Electron drift in a conductor where any electric field is not applied, subatomic particles like electrons move in random direction at all the time. Like here, red bubbles showing the are showing the electrons which are moving in the random direction in a conductor when no electric field is applied to them. But when an electric field is applied, when the electrons are subjected to an electric field to move randomly, they are moving actually randomly to a certain extent, but they slowly drift in one direction in the direction of the electric field applied. It's known as electron drift velocity. Now we will discuss with you the formula for the electron drift velocity and how to derive the formula for electron drift velocity. Suppose in a conductor the number of electrons available per cubic meter is equals to n, and they are drifting with the suppose they are drifting with the velocity v. So in distance distance traveled by them in time dt is equals to v into dt. If a is the area of cross section, then volume will be equals to v into a into dt. Suppose here we are representing the velocity with v. Then if v is the charge on the electron, then the total charge which crosses the section in time dt is equals to d represented by dq, which is equals to n multiplied by a multiplied by e multiplied by v multiplied by dt. Since I is the rate of the flow of the charge, so current is represented by I is equals to dq by d, comes out to be equals to n a e into v, and hence we get the value of drift velocity as v is equals to I divided by n a into e. Our last section, that is the SI unit of drift velocity, that is equals to meter per second, because drift velocity is also a kind of velocity.